Welcome back. In this video we are going to talk about comments in Python code. Comments are a very useful tool when writing code, and they help you and others understand what your code is doing. We can begin. A comment is a piece of text in your code that Python ignores. It's not executed or processed in any way. It's there only to help humans understand what's going on in the code. Comments don't affect how your program works, but they make it way easier to read. To create a comment in Python, you simply start the line with the hash symbol. Everything after hash symbol is considered a comment. In this example, the line hash "this is a comment" is a comment, so Python will ignore it. Only the print hello world will run. Comments are great for explaining your code, especially when it gets more complex. It's like leaving notes for yourself or others who will read the code later. You can explain what each part of your code does, why you choose a particular method, or even leave reminders for doing things later. Sometimes you might want to write longer comments that span multiple lines. In Python, you can just use multiple hash symbols, one for each line. Another way to write multi-line comments is by using triple quotes on the begin and on the end of the comment. You can also use comments to disable code temporarily while you are testing. This is really helpful when you want to skip certain lines of code without deleting them. While comments are very useful, you don't want to overuse them. Keep it simple and don't explain things that are already obvious. For example, this is absolutely unnecessary. Always try to write simple, clean and readable code. And that's everything for today. Now you know how to use comments and you can start making your code more readable and organized. Hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye.